In this video, I'll show you how Cash App pools work and how you can use them to collect money from friends, family, or groups for shared goals, events, or any kind of collective expense. Pools is a feature designed to make group payments easier, safer, and more organized, allowing multiple people to contribute money into a single pool while the organizer keeps full control over the funds and distribution. First, open your Cash App on your mobile device. On the main screen, you may see a Pools button, or you can navigate to the Money section to find it. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, it may still be rolling out to your account. Make sure your Cash App is updated to the latest version, as some features are gradually made available to all users. Once you find the Pools feature, tap on it to view your history of past pools, see active pools you're participating in, or manage any pools you've previously created. This screen will show you all activity related to pools, so you can keep track of contributions. To create a new pool, tap on the Create Pool button. You'll be asked to enter a monetary goal. For example, if you're trying to collect $100 from 5 friends, each contributing $20, you can type in 100 as your goal. After setting the goal, you'll be prompted to give your pool a name. Make it something descriptive and easy to remember, like birthday gift pool, vacation fund, or office party. Once you've named it, tap Start to officially create the pool. As the organizer, you now have full control. You can close the pool, collect the funds, and manage contributions whenever you're ready. Next, you can add your own contribution to the pool if you like. Tap the Contribute button and select an amount from your Cash App balance. This will immediately update the pool total, so all participants can see progress toward the goal. Then, to invite others, tap Add People. You can invite friends directly using their Cash App usernames or cash tags. If someone doesn't have Cash App, you can share the pool link via email, text, or other payment apps like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Some versions of Cash App may also support PayPal or Venmo contributions, making it easier for everyone to join. Once invitations are sent, contributors can immediately start adding funds to the pool, and you'll see their contributions reflected in real time under the pool activity feed. It's important to note that while participants can contribute multiple times, contributions cannot be removed once added. If you or someone else accidentally contributes too much, the only way to reverse it is by closing the pool and starting a new one. To manage your participants, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the pool screen and select Manage People. Here, you can see everyone who's in the pool, check their contribution status, and make any necessary updates to invitations or access. When your goal is reached, or when you decide it's time to collect the funds, tap Close Pool. All money collected in the pool will automatically be transferred to your Cash App balance, and you can use it however you intended, whether that's paying for a gift, covering shared expenses, or saving for an event. Cash App pools makes group payments convenient, transparent, and easy to track, while keeping your finances organized and avoiding confusion among friends or family. Even though Cash App pools is safe to use, it's always a good idea to protect your financial information and personal data when sharing links or handling money online. For an extra layer of privacy and security while using Cash App or any other app, NordVPN is a great tool to encrypt your connection and keep your data safe from hackers or unwanted tracking. You can use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free at a great price and enjoy secure browsing and transactions every time you use your apps.